Wow, it's cold. There's snow out. It's -7. And I know what's going to happen. This is the one thing. What's going to happen now is tonight, it'll be late at night, or it may happen on the weekend, Friday night, Saturday night, Sunday night, where we're going to get all kinds of calls where someone's furnace is out. And it happens every year. And it generally happens because, I'm not going to mention any names, but some people just don't pay attention to their furnace, and then it just quits. People always say, well, how come it quits then? Well, it's -7 out right now, and it's going to get colder again tonight. And what happens is, on the coldest night of the year, your furnace is working the hardest. And if it's weak and it's got any problems, or it's dirty, hasn't been cleaned, maybe it's been smelling funny, maybe there's been all kinds of noises, but that's exactly when it's going to quit. It's going to leave you stranded. Then you're going to put in a call to some company, any company, but it'll be treated like emergency service. Then you're also going to have to make a decision. You're probably going to have to change it if they can't fix it, and you're going to do that under stress. Family's cold, temperature's dropping. In some cases, people are worried that their pipes are going to freeze. Now that does take a little bit of time before that actually happens, but still, if you can't get somebody in to replace it quickly, you're going to be on the spot. So do yourself a favor, get your furnace checked. Make sure that you keep an eye on it and it's in good working condition. If you do that, you've done just about everything that you can do. So this is just a quick little warning. Oh, it's cold. Wow, it's really blowing. Anyway, that's what happens. So anyway, that's my little story for the day, but winter's coming.